You are watching Indian IT Guys. Today we will show you how to calculate your PC bottleneck percentage. So what is bottleneck? Your PC bottlenecks when one component or hardware of your PC limits the capabilities of the other ones, leading to your PC failing to meet the demands of running a task. In simpler terms, when your CPU is weaker compared to your GPU, then your CPU gets overutilized while your GPU is underutilized. This forces your CPU to overwork while also failing to meet the demands of the heavy task like playing games or editing videos. So, how to prevent it? All you need to do is buy components that don't limit each other. To check it, simply open the link in the description to visit this website. Set the processor and then set the GPU. Next, set the screen resolution and click on Calculate. Here you will see the bottleneck being calculated. Any result above 40% means your PC will bottleneck. Like here the CPU is weaker and it will bottleneck the GPU. So I need to buy a better CPU to go along with this GPU. That's it. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful. If you have any questions, ask us in the comment section below and we will try to help you out. Thank you for watching.